We chose NYI principally because we were with another hosting facility. We were very unhappy. We got recommended to NYI from a former colleague. Came down here, met with Phil Koblenz, made a very good impression on me. Showed me gave me a tour of the facility. Also, got a very good impression. And we tried them out. We started off with 3 cabinets. Now we're up to 5 cabinets. And we made all kinds of additions and upgrades.
The service has been fantastic. Okay, anything I want, I need, it's done for me.
It's really hard to find good facilities here in New York City. Everything's so expensive and everything's all built up. But yeah, they have a great facility here. The people are really nice to work with. It's really just a great spot.
It's cold there. Now that's one biggest difference that I have seen in all the cold places. You need to be cold, okay? If it's not cold, your server is not going to be happy.
Their staff is on top of everything. If we have an issue, they're really right on it, 24 hours a day. The facilities are really nice. They're well maintained.
Their turnaround time for the help desk is usually within 2 to 3 minutes of filing a ticket. They'll respond with some preliminary information.
About a month ago, we had a relatively major issue happen in the middle of the night, and their staff handled it. We were very well satisfied.
The staff is very knowledgeable. The service is excellent. We've never had a problem with them. And I'd easily recommend them to anybody who's looking for a good co-location facility.